Hey, this is Cody Revel from the Athlete Academy here in Salisbury, Maryland. And today what we're going to talk about is our sports performance testing and evaluation protocol that all athletes must go through before stepping into our facility and training. What this protocol does is we measure a few things that allows us to see where the athletes are at currently in their physical strengths and speed. And it also allows us to analyze any movement deficiencies that could hinder their performance on the field. The first test that we're going to go through is going to be our 10-yard sprint, which is going to measure our accelerative speed, which is going to be crucial on the field performance, because typically the fastest person in that 10-yard area is going to be the quickest one to the ball. The second test we're going to measure is going to be our 5-10-5 Pro Agility. This is a great test at measuring your agility in a small space. In addition, we're going to be able to look at your mechanics when changing directions, because over 90% of all injuries are going to occur off the ball when changing directions, specifically a lot of knee and ACL tear. And the last test that we're going to look into is going to be our vertical jump and our broad jump, which is going to measure our body weight to strength ratio, which is going to show our ability to move our body weight forcefully and with a lot of power. So today we have one of our athletes, Grace Pettit, here with us, and she's going to demonstrate our 10-yard sprint. So Grace, go ahead and take a knee. She's going to line up 1 foot behind the line, knee in line with the toe. Hips up, putting all your force into this right hand. Hips up a little higher, head down, and go when you're ready. Good. So next up, we're going to go into our 5-10-5 Pro Agility, which is, again, it's going to be a great test, going to measure how quickly an athlete can change direction in a small area. So Grace is going to go ahead and drop down with her left hand on the line, stay nice and low, leaning back this way. When I say go, she's going to sprint to the left, touch that line with her left hand, sprint back to the right 10 yards, touch that one with her right hand, and come right back to the middle. All right, Grace, on you. To the left, back to the middle, back to the middle. Sprint, 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 sprint. Good job. So the last few tests we're going to look into is going to be athlete force production. So we're going to do the vertical jump and broad jump, and Grace is going to demo the vertical jump for us. So stand real tall, load up, go down, and jump as high as you can. Good landing. Lastly, we're going to go into our broad jump now. Grace, your toes to the edge of the line. You're going to jump out as far as you can go and make sure you stick your landing. Good job. So performance testing is a key component of our program because it shows our athletes and our coaches that our program is actually improving on the field sports performance in addition to keeping our athletes injury free.